Ekuseni bafethu. Yazi ngiyibonile le press izolo ebiyenziwa uSG we-ANC. Yabona ke iqala kanje indaba. Yabo laba bathi uMbalula never lie. Wayisho kanjalo vele uMalema wathi uMbalula never lie. But uyakhumbula ukuthi iANC uyishayela ama own goal kakhulu after i-creation ye-MK party. And then after i-creation ye-MK party ebhize shama on goal bamtsunya umlomo amnquma umlomo wathula isikhathi eside wangakhuluma kwi-media. Kuthe after isikhathi wambona uMbalula reappearisha again, and lo Mbalula o reappearishile was a sober Mbalula than the one that we used to have before. uMbalula mawuthi uyabheka less on goals awashayayo manje for iANC asemancane kakhulu, ngoba kusho ukuthi watshenwa waphekwa watshena ukuthi hey awuzami ukuthi uthi mawusukhuluma kube ukuthi into usuyicabangile. So ngiyayibona mina lento eyenzeka la. Yabona njengoba esho lento uqhubeza lento yokuthi kufanele idungane between iMKP nelentuza ne-EFF. Kahle kahle uyasihlukanisa. Yabo divide and conquer lo. Yabo. Yabo njengoba bekhulumile ulento uNhleko beno Floyd. Bathi i-characterization ye-MKP by EFF was wrong. We are not their enemy. I think law nto ifike wrong bona because bayabona ukuthi we starting to actually unite as amaqembu lawa angathi makhulu but mancanyana, because mawubuka iMKP ubuka iEFF ubuka iATM, if behlangana ndawonye there's a huge impact abangakwazi ukuthi bayenze. Uyabo? So before siyokhethweni fanele kwenzeke sure ukuthi hayi bahlukene laba bantu, bahlukene and abakwazi ukuthi ba emerge victorious, because if kuukuthi they play lento le ye body and bayazwana akuzulunga kakhulu. So asiqhubeke simcharacterize uFloyd kwiMKP as though uplantiwe uyi-enemy, so that MKP can fire him, and then mayise kuukuthi isimxoshile, that's when la khona iMKP will then be enemy nelento ne-EFF. You understand? Ngoba ngiyayibona mina lento ezama ukwenziwa la. Lo muntu yonke lento ayilentuziwe, ngoba mawuthi uyibheka le press iqhamuka right after i-press conference eyenziwe yi-MKP. Yabo? Okuchaza khona ukuthi this is a counter action of the ANC of what was said lapha ya kwi press conference yethu. So mina ngiyakwazi ukubona behind lentoza ama words omuntu. Yabo nje ama words kalo angitshena enye into ukuthi lo utsheni ukuthi into ehlalwe phansi yasethwa leyo ukuthi ahamba ufike usho kanje wena kwilento, so that those people wenza sengazuthi ubakhonzile uyabazi ukuthi bawo body. Uyabo? And then thina obviously sizothi ha kanti uplantiwe ngempela la uFloyd, and then after that we will then say hayi ngempela hayi lo Floyd uyabheda asuke kuMKP. Lonto nje siyayibona lonto le. Yabo? Because at the end of the day these are the sweet words of ukusowa i-division within ilentuzi MKP. Uyabona those words la kade washo manje are the sweetest words okusowa i-division kwi-MKP. Yabo? Wenza sengazuthi yena ukhuluma kahle ngoJulius no Floyd, But at the end of the day, siyabona ukuthi this is not about Julius no Floyd. It's about ukusow division kwi-MKP so that thina izogrow lento yokuthi akakhishwa uFloyd. And nginesho bayabona ukuthi uFloyd useyayishape ke manje i-MKP. Yabo? I think leya yayo yokusebenzisa idota kababa bayibona ukuthi beat by beat yehle yaphela. Yabo? So manje they came up with a new strategy ukuthi kanjani, how are we going to divide these people, because if bengakwenzi lokho and siyokhethweni sile force and formidable force esiyona hey siyayibona thina into eyigimmick. Yabo? It's a movie. Nawe ke sitshena wena Mbalula imovie leyo yenzayo kahle kahle siyayibona imovie yakho stand up comedy.